Hi everyone, so today is NTI Day 12, and our goal for today is I can use the area formula to solve for a missing dimension. So in these problems, you're going to see that we're given area and we're asked to solve for a missing side or a missing dimension of that shape. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to do 4 practice problems with you here. And if you have questions, always feel free to email me or message me through Google Classroom, and I'd be happy to help you with those. Okay, so number 1, this is a rectangle. We're given the area, we're given the length, and we're being asked to solve for the width. So we're going to use our area of a rectangle formula, which is area equals length times width. And now we're going to substitute what we're given. So we're going to put 378 in for A. We're going to substitute 21 for the length. And we're going to solve for the width. We can just put X right there. X is representing the width. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. And now we're going to solve for X. So we're going to divide both sides by 21. To find X equals 18. And that's inches. Make sure that you label. You're going to see this all throughout this video. We're going to write the formula, we're going to substitute, and we're going to solve. That is distinguished, just like we do in class. Okay, number 2. Let me situate. Okay. Number 2 is a triangle. We're being given the area, we're being given the height, and we're actually solving for the base here. So, the formula we're going to use is formula for area of a triangle, which is A equals 1/2 base times height. And we're going to substitute what we're given. Area is 56. Equals 1/2. The base is X, so I'm going to go ahead and put X in. And the height is 8. That is an X. That is not a multiplication symbol. Okay, we're going to go ahead and multiply 1/2 times 8. Half of 8 is 4, leaving us with 4X on that side. Divide both sides by 4. And that gives us 14, don't forget to label, feet equals X. Now on to number 3. Number 3 is a circle. Again, we're being given the area, and we're asked to solve for the radius. We're asked to solve for R here. Notice, use 3.14 for pi. Okay, so to solve for R, we're going to use the formula for area of a circle, which is A equals pi R squared. And we're going to substitute everything we're given. So that goes in for A because that's the area, equals, I'm going to substitute 3.14 for pi. And we're going to leave R squared. That's what we're solving for. That's our unknown. Okay, now we're going to divide through by 3.14 to try to isolate R. The 615.44 divided by 3.14 is 196 equals R squared. And to get rid of that exponent of 2, if you remember from the Pythagorean theorem, you're going to take the square root. The square root of R squared gives us R. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So R equals the square root of 196 is 14. And let's not forget to label that centimeters. Okay, now on to number 4. Number 4 is a trapezoid. This is probably the hardest one. We're given the area of this trapezoid, which is right here, 459. we're given the height, and we're given one of the bases. So we're going to use the formula for area of a trapezoid, which is A equals, there are lots of different ways you can see this written, but this is my favorite way. B sub 1, meaning base 1, plus B sub 2, meaning base 2, divided by 2 times the height. Okay, base 1 and base 2, your bases in a trapezoid are the two parallel sides. So here that's 33 and x. Now we're going to substitute everything we're given and we're going to solve for that unknown. Our area is 459 equals base 1, I'm just going to call 33, plus base 2 is x, divided by 2, times our height is 17. Okay, now this is all being multiplied by 17, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of 17 first by dividing through by 17. That's going to cancel your 17s. 459 divided by 17 gives us 27 equals 33 plus x divided by 2. Okay, to continue solving, we're going to multiply both sides by 2, get rid of that denominator, giving us 54 equals 33 plus x. Subtract 33 from both sides, and that's going to leave us with 21 inches equals x. Okay, a couple of other important things to note. That is the formula for area of a square. Is A equals S squared. This information is going to help you complete your form. And then the formula for area of a parallelogram is A equals base times height. Okay, as always, like I said in the beginning, if you have questions for me, feel free to email me or send me a message through Google Classroom, and I would be more than happy to help you. Okay, have a great day. Thanks for watching.